so what's in here? This is a Giorgio Armani liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, what is this called? 405. This is just a nice bright red color. I really like how this looks on the lips. And I have 2 Fenty lip products. This was part of like the little holiday set, I think, from last year. I do like these shades, so I am going to keep them, even though y'all know how I feel about Fenty. Definitely not a Fenty fan. These are 2 liquid lipsticks from KVD. I feel like it's time, you know, it's time to let these go. As much as I love these lipsticks, but it's time for them to go. So I'm gonna just sit them with the other 3 shades that I'm getting rid of. And so are these Maybelline lip gloss. I feel like this was a YouTube made me buy these. I think that I'm going to keep this one. I'm gonna put this one in my car or something. These 2 I'm getting rid of. There's no point of having them. Lipstick from Lancome. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Even, I don't know, this is just a nice red lipstick. I haven't worn it much. You know what? No, I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. This is a lip balm from Givenchy. I'm keeping this. And I have some lipsticks from Morphe. I like Morphe products as like an affordable brand, but these lipsticks, they are a nice shade, but these will dry the hell out of your lips. I don't reach for these. And actually one shade I have, I can't even remember, but one of these shades is like identical to the Gucci lipstick in Mona Leslie. Like, it's almost spot on. But I'm gonna get rid of these because I don't wear them. And I have 2 more lipsticks from KVD. I think I'm gonna keep these 2. They should go in the garbage, but I'm gonna keep those 2. And I have a Kylie Jenner lipstick. I think this was like True Brown K. That's the exact shade. This was a YouTube made me buy it. I'm going to get rid of it because I don't reach for it. And I have 2 lip gloss from Tom Ford. I like Tom Ford lip gloss. Like, those are the only lip products that I'm really crazy about, is the lip gloss. And I'm going to keep these 2, of course. This is a matte liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. I can't even remember how I got this. I know I didn't buy this, but I forgot how I got it. I think I'm gonna keep it. And this is a lip cream from Fenty. Y'all, now when I did my review on these, I didn't like these like that. I just was not impressed. I still feel like these are the same thing as the NYX Butter Gloss, but I wear these sometimes and I kind of like them. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, kind of like them a little bit. So I'm gonna keep this one. I don't even know where the other 2 at. It's not in here. But, this is a Revolution Pro something lip balm. I don't know how I got this either. I think I bought something. I can't remember. I bought something and I got this. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage because I don't want it. These 2. These used to be my go-to liquid lipsticks in the fall, and this is another like YouTube made me buy it. I think I watched what's her name? She's a twin. I think her name is Kyra Knox, yeah. And one time she did like a review on these. This was like a long time ago, and I saw how good they looked on her, so I went out and bought these 2. I think I am going to keep these 2, even though I've had them for a while, but I want to keep them. This is another Morphe liquid lipstick. I don't wear these anymore, so they're going to go in the garbage. These are the Smashbox Los Angeles. I really like these a lot, so I'm going to keep them. This is something from Fenty. What is this? This is a lipstick from Fenty. I don't even know. Yeah, this was like a pink magenta type shade. Let me swatch it if I got room to swatch it. This is what that looks like. This is like a bright pink. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. It's time for it to go. Y'all, my back is hurting so bad. I'm sitting on the floor doing this. Oh, my back hurt. This is another lipstick from Milani. I'm gonna keep this. And I have another mini liquid lipstick from Giorgio Armani. I'm gonna keep that. Another Morphe lipstick. I think this is in the shade Nibble. Yes, I feel like everybody has this shade. Everybody know about this shade. This is a nice vampy fall color. I'm gonna keep this one. Another liquid lipstick from Morphe. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Well, yeah, and I have how many of these? I think I'm gonna keep this shade True Story. Remember when I think it was Angela Renee used to always talk about one of these? I think it was True Story, or what's this other shade? No, the shade Freebird. And she talked about these so much, I went out and bought a couple of them. But you know what? I think I'm gonna keep them. And this is a liquid Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't even know how I got this. I have not worn it but maybe once, and I don't like the shade. This is definitely a shade that has to be worn with the brown lip liner. I'm not keeping this. This can go in the garbage. I have two mint Pat McGrath. It's time for these to go. I think I've had these for a long time, like years. This is a, what is this? This is a lipstick. I think I was watching Simply Cristal talked about this, and then I went out and bought it. I didn't wear this but maybe once or twice. I know I didn't have it a long time, so I'm going to keep it. This is a Fenty Cream Bomb. This is the one I wear a lot. Like, I like how this looks. And I think this is the shade Fruit Snack, so I'm going to keep that. This is a Buxom lipstick or gloss. I can't even remember. Okay, this is a lipstick. I'm going to keep this as well. These are the Los Angeles lip gloss from Smashbox. Keeping these. Another liquid lipstick from Giorgio Armani. Keeping. This is a mascara. I don't even know why that's in there. A mini Pat McGrath lipstick that I'm going to just get rid of. And I have a Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick. I'm going to keep this one as well. This is a lip pencil from Mented. I forgot I had this, and I don't even know where the top at. Let's swatch this. Oh, this has completely dried out. It's probably not even no good. Oh, it swatches. And that's what it looks like. Now, here's all my concealers. I do not try a lot of concealers. Like, I am not adventurous when it comes to concealer because I have creasy under eyes. But let's just start with this basket because it's not much in here and I can get through this quickly. These are the Merit Foundation Concealer Sticks, so I'm going to keep these. A review of this. This is the Lancome Tint Auto Ultra Wear Concealer. I'm keeping this. This is new. This is the Born This Way concealer. I think this is in the shade Butterscotch. I think I'm gonna keep this. I haven't had this that long. I'm gonna really keep it and just wear it some more because this is a lot of concealer in this thing. Like, this is a lot, so I think I'm gonna have this for a while. And next I have the Makeup Revolution Ultra Matte Concealer. There's not much in here. I've been actually scraping what's left in here, so this is definitely going in the garbage. Next concealer is from Dior. This is the Forever Skin Corrector. I'm going to keep this as well. You get a lot of product in here. I've had this for a while and I haven't even put a dent in it. Another Gucci lipstick. Next I have the Tom Ford Emotionless Concealer. This is not a good concealer. I've tried this with all kind of powders. It's just one of the worst concealers I've ever purchased. I want to get rid of it because I know like it sucks, but I am going to keep it just for the simple fact I don't even think I've had this for like 4 months yet, but this concealer sucks. Tom Ford is about to come out with another line of concealers which I'm excited about, but this is like horrible. Next, this is another one of my favorites. I like the formula and I like the coverage. This is the Ysl Touche Eclat High Coverage, I believe, concealer. I crease with this sometimes, but I do like it. I'm going to keep it. I think I need a lighter shade in this because the one that I have is pretty close to my skin tone. And also, I hate like this push pin thing. You gotta constantly push it to get the product up, but it's a decent concealer. Next concealer that I have, this is a concealer from Chanel. I do not like this concealer at all. I just picked this up, I believe like maybe January, February. I'm gonna try it out a couple more times, but right now this is one that I feel like it's an easy pass on. This concealer is another one that's just sucks. Next, I have my all-time favorite concealer. These concealers, I love Givenchy concealer. These are my favorite. You hear me? My favorite concealers. Now, the coverage on this is very light, medium coverage. You could build these up, but you'll never have any creasing with these. This is why these are my go-to. I have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Skin Corrector. I believe that's the name. This is a super light shade on me. I like to use it for a highlight. I always mix it with another shade, and I like it. This is a full coverage concealer. It covers everything, and I don't have any creasing with this. This is one of my favorites. Also, I have the Pat McGrath concealer. I will say I am not sold on these. I've used this concealer maybe once or twice and I did not like it. I don't see why everybody's like, oh, the Pat McGrath concealer, so this. No, it's okay. It's not my favorite, but I'm gonna keep it. Next, I feel like everybody got one of these laying around. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Definitely time for this to go in the garbage. And I have this ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. Can't even lie to y'all, I like this. This is a good concealer and it's affordable. Also, what is this? This is a brow pen. I don't even know why it's in there. This is a lash primer. I don't know why that's in this basket. Eyebrow pencil from Morphe. I don't know why that's in there either. And right now, this concealer has replaced my Givenchy concealers. I don't even reach for them anymore. Like, this is the concealer that I wear all the time in my videos. I freaking love this Luminous Silk concealer. Now I want to try out having this. I do want to try out the Power Fabric Concealer by Armani, but I'm gonna wait till I go through this a little more and then I'll pick it up. But this is my perfect concealer. This is the perfect shade, the coverage. This does not crease on me. This is, right now, this is my baby. Like, I love it, y'all. Concealer is from Hourglass. I just picked this up recently. I love the shade of this. This is in the shade Maple, but I'm not like sold on it yet. Like, I don't love it and I don't hate it. I feel the same exact way about the Pat McGrath. Like, I don't see why people like love these two so much, because they're just okay. Next is the Clinique Even Better concealer. This is a good one. I rarely crease with this one. I don't know why I don't wear this as much as I should, because this is a really good concealer, so I'm going to keep this one. Next, I have my Burberry contour. This is a face and contour stick. I love this thing. I keep it with my concealer. I mainly use this to contour my nose with. You can use this to contour with. You can use this as an eyeshadow. Like, it is multi-use. And this is what it looks like. I love this. And I found this, I believe, in Nordstrom Rack for like $4. I'm going to go back to Nordstrom and get maybe 4 or 5 of these, because these are just amazing. And lastly, I have the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. This is going in the garbage. I did a review on this. I don't like this at all. I don't understand the hype. This can go in the garbage. Hey y'all, so I think I'm going to end the first part of the video right here because my back hurts. I'm sitting on the floor and this is so uncomfortable. And I just realized I had more lipsticks behind me, which we'll get to another time. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.